You see, every time, this one is relationship. Relationship issue, na be this one. People don't know, say, no matter how and no matter how, any man, the kind of man where you choose for your life, it will determine your future. It will determine your happiness. It will determine your joy. It will determine whether you go day okay. Whether your sanity will destroy 100%. As a woman, the kind of person that you choose to be your partner is going to determine your happiness for the nearest future. And even man, as a man, the kind of woman that you choose for yourself is going to determine your betterment in life as a man. It's going to determine your future. Help me on it because of the brightness alone. Okay. It's going to determine your future. It go determine whether you go day okay, whether you go meet up like every other man for your life, whether you go meet up like your friends that you admire, whether you will meet up and meet all those things when you plan for your life. The kind of woman that you choose in your life is going to make the difference in this your life, whether you go day okay for you. You see this, our sister. She continued to narrate the lifestyle of this man. You they sell drug, you they carry women, they come, you they do this one, they give you 21 years for prison. You come out from prison. Prison not change you. You continue to they do those things. You continue to they do those things. And your baby is just 3 months. You just born for that guy. Meaning, you never date for so long. As you even know, say the guy get 5 children. You even know, say woman carry children, you run for her. Woman carry children, he run for man. You self enter inside, you thought you can fix that man. You can never fix that man. Any man where woman carry children, you run for, you know if you fix my sister. Except say, now woman talk say, now man just talk say, this woman for this reason, I don't want this woman anymore. This woman was not a good woman to me. You see woman, man where woman don't already carry a bag and in baggages. He run leave that man for us. You can never fix the life of that man. Never. That's why I always say on this platform to say you don't change people. People change when they want to change. People just change anytime we don't reach their mind say they want change. This our sister know everything we did this man life. And you thought you could change him? Man, when you say they bring guests, they come. Meaning it's a lazy man. Because any man that is doing proselytism, now they call them for France, human trafficking. Man, where they do human trafficking, it's a lazy man. And lazy men, they do. And I don't see all these central men of those days. Where they this Europe. They don't work. Their business was to go and be carrying guests for ladies that can become their wives tomorrow to come and be using their body to work for them. This is what these people specialize in. This is what they were doing. Laziness from the pit of hell is what will make a man to engage himself into human trafficking. And men who do human trafficking, they don't work. They are lazy men. So know it for your heart today. Say, any man where you want meet, the man they do human trafficking. Now lazy man, you will suffer for your life. Any man where you want meet, the man they do drug, is a lazy man. You will suffer for your life. Any man where you meet, the man they do 419, Yahoo boy, quick money, ayo bog top. Nine the man they, uga success sister, uga success brother, uga yoja. Because these are not husband materials. These are people who don't know what it be life. They are still playing in the streets. They never know what it like be. There is no way you can change this kind of people because their mentality too big pass your own. It too useless. The kind of mentality where they carry, they would not be normal one. Eh? So this our sister, you was not better than this man. You wasn't better. You was not better. Okay, see how you ended up throwing a 3-month-old child out of ignorance in the life in German hand. 3-month-old. With the look of things, the way they look you. The way you take dress, the way you take the parade and portray yourself on social media. Please go and do the right thing and get your child. Go and do the right thing. And get your baby back. And if they will ever give you that baby, there are many things you are supposed to know. Because from the look of things, you'll be like junkie. You cannot be a junkie and the white people will leave a child for you. Eh? You cannot be a junkie and they will live a life for you. My people, honestly speaking, you can't come out for the whole world now. Or you just wanted to say, hey, people, they say, me, I just quit born. Me, I born my pikin so that I'll get my pikin for my hand. If I don't already get my pikin for hand, then I'll come be single mother. I can do anything that I want. It they frustrate people, my people. But don't try to have a life with that man. Because if you don't try to have a life with this one now, you know, can't go report you, give government. Hey, wait till these documents matter go cost for this Europe. And to even start with my sister, man, when you don't already accept already say you get 3 children. From the look of things, the way the woman they explain for the video, you don't already accept and say you get 5 children. 2 of them don't they. Before you can't carry belly for her, you can't born for her. You don't know say you don't get paper, say you go give her paper. Okay, now when you don't get belly, you can't talk say you don't want to give her paper. Why? Why? Why you don't want to give her paper?
And I used to do courses. You they use that rubber that they threaten everybody. They beat everybody. They beat police. They beat up. Not be made the key your passport for your hand. Now me tell your wife, your ex-wife say make you carry children run away from you. Now me tell your ex-wife say make you carry your children run away from you. Why you gonna be saying at me? You say you want to pay for waiting you use your hand take cost for yourself. Why you gonna be saying at me? I'm an innocent baby. Now you want to pay. You take George. You don't fear. You say me George collect my baby from my hands. They really carry the baby.
Nobody can tell anyone to take your child, and they will just take your child like that without evidence. Let me tell you, as a single mother, if you have a single father, if you also have a man, which two of them know they agree, be very careful. These days for Europe, that is what they do. Not be only single father or whatever. Even friends, be very careful, because people will find one way or the other that they can do you evil. That they can do evil to you. Many men in this Europe these days, the hatred they have for single mom is very big. And because of the frustration in Europe, the hatred they have for women is big and it's very huge. Don't say you are not aware of it. So make sure, say, if you want to enter a relationship now, your heart, now you enter. Don't enter with half of your heart, or don't just enter at all. Don't enter at all. Okay, what were you expecting? This girl was it's a clear evidence of, say, people too they stupid for this Europe. How you say you get a man don't born 5 children before, you know, say woman run leave her. You know also say you don't fair them, so they give her 21 years, he run leave her. You know say na drug pusher. You know say na human trafficker. What pana wa ene na ya my sister. Una rawe bien egbo bia verio. Una wa mi omo. Una you know want give her paper. You want chop the paper. Okay, then keep paper for your hands, you know. Those kind of people are frustrated. They can do you anything. Sometimes, documents that you just give to a person, the father of your child, don't not be too stingy about it. This is how all these kind of things happen. What you know you can do, may take get the documents. Do one for a may take get. If you want to leave you, may leave you. You begin to enjoy your life, they go. Why aren't they documenting? I'm with Buwafi a problem in Ohua. Il y a Johnny Moussevier, mais. You didn't bring documents from your home. This one was not going to happen now. Maybe. If not be this documents matter when you can't carry proof for front. So all 2 of them can't begin to fight for documents. Instead, one of them fight for better future. How now want to take care of una picking? Huh? How now want to take care of una picking a documents now una can't they fight for? You hold documents like this, gaga say now you give me documents where you want to take. African people, document is nothing. Document not be anything. If you don't already quick you born for man already. Look at women when men collect document for their hand safe. Where even born, when men collect document for their hand. Where after the documents where they collect, then go, then leave the women. You have your peace. If that is what a man wants from you, let him take it and go. When are you women going to be less learning? We will be women. When we want to start to take the learn safe. When? If man enter your life, you don't already make that mistake, carry belle bon for her. If you not give her that document, he go to find what he wants to do. He go to shook you, he go to monitor you how to give you the biggest problem of your life. How to collect children from your hand and give it to the government. It did not have no more. If document is a frustrating issue to men in Europe, the next grave we go put you, now you go define. The next grave where you go put you, now you go define. But if you take documents, that is when you know whether a person loves you or not. Not before documents. Before documents, sometimes you don't already born for him. The person want to work. He's frustrated. He want to do his things. He want to live his life. But you not green. You not do well. Your man, they tell you say na document you can't take. Na document you can't take. You hold document for hand. You don't let the man get joy. You don't let her get peace. A person without joy and peace cannot give you. It's only person who have joy and peace who can give you peace and joy. If you check the life of the single mom, women collect paper for their hand, they live. They are the most happy people. Let's reason it this way too. Sometimes, or when emi dam ogbuvi nekwi. Emi dam ogbuvi nekwi, my people. Sometimes the men when women collect document for their hand, they leave them. After taking the document, after sometimes they regret. If they fear, when another woman want to collect that document for their hand, they will come the fear, say, hey, I don't use person, another person want use me now. They start thinking about their baby mama. Sometimes some of them come back begging, and the women will say, I don't want again. Sometimes their conscience will start judging them. Allow a person continue to judge you for what they do wrong to you. Don't be the orchestrator of your own problem. Don't be the person who orchestrates your problem out of stinginess and ignorance. Fighting for no reason. For Europe, 3 months baby. Woman, when you get 3 months baby, you get power to fight. Who when we boo? You ready to die? 3 months old woman will get 3 months baby for his house. So you get power to the follow man till they fight. You are ready to die. My sister, now because in one you just a born. Document is nothing. You need the father of your children. Even though say they know they live with you, you need them to have that document and go and be working. So that government can hold them to come and be doing the right thing for your children. So that they can be able to regret what they do to you. So that they can suffer for what they did to you. If you don't give them document, they will never suffer for it. But when they take that document, they will suffer for everything they do for you. Now so Europe be. Everything wrong that they do to you, they will suffer for it. There's time for everything. Give people opportunity to regret what they did to you. This woman, you made a very big mistake. Because from your explanation, when you come up for your mouth, now people take they judge you so. Even we were going a video, you were smoking. Ignorantly, you gave a baby, 3 months old baby. You give her to the government. And it's possible that maybe you not be woman where they work before, because women that work, they cannot be like this. Lazy women are the only women who carry this kind of hair. Lazy women are the only women who dress like this. Lazy women are the only women who get time to take the face useless eyelashes where they make them look like over here eye for inside eye. It's only lazy women who have that time to be doing all those things. And it's only lazy women who have the whole time to be saying the things that you are even saying. You don't just born. Women wait don't born three. Men still live them. Oh me be. Iya ye pasiyan Iho ye fian mi mudia. E government mi yan mo. Iya ye seti gba oge mo. They will still take care of children. After giving birth to 5 children, 3 children, men go leave them. Iya ma ya fian wu. Ni ya rela video ni ya ta lo. Iya ye seti ya win na ya gwa le mo. Eva nou taloma with social media is your born with my sister. You already make a mistake. The mistake is from you. You can never ever blame that man. Because if the man knows say you get paper, he enter your life, it's your fault. It's not the fault of the person who came to your life. It's not for the fault of the person who came to your life. Ihwewebo. Nigga don't be Emma. Since one I just said the yes, and paper that they collect for their hand, and paper that they collect for their hand. Una can't even they use until they make things, they spoil for una. Whatever do ya riya ni negbuwa. Irina ya siekpo na siekbo ma yeke. Irina ya siekpo na siekbo ma yeke. Sometimes you want to do something to other people, you will use it to hinder your own success. That is why you have to be like this. Me where they talk so you can't lose the relationship. Foot too flat in the way, you can't lose the oh wa edene na bo. O sa boy ye ya bless me. Ona igberi owo yo me dagmo. Emi adoma gbe e ma. Nika tori ho na. Good afternoon my lady. Of your hakere, see the way you take you start to take polish yourself for Europe. You want to do oduga. Don't know what to ga mai. Ya mwina no ya gwalomo. Ya dole dagmo weji. If not, we have a re. Before you know it, today you can single mother of 3 children, different father. All you be mina. This is how you can turn single mother of 3 children with different father. My lady, the fault from your words is from you. It's not from that man. Before man come the find they want to take baby for your hand. What do you do? Because you marry bene and ubianene, you dey talk say whether na your hand you want to take paper. Not be you born for her. If you born for Europe, it's a lot to say. If you born for man go put his hand for that baby say na he born. Of course, a lot of men come to your life because of that one. Okay, when you are inside something already, you have to play smart. There are situations when you are already inside. Play smart, oh. Because if you not play smart, you will lose everything for the sake of not playing smart, of being stupid. My question when I want to ask some women, documents when man collect for your hand, they leave you. What do you want to do you? He want kill you. A man that is meant to leave you. Not be so. If he give you documents, he go leave you. If you take for your hand, he go leave you. That is just the truth. Man, where want leave you. If he give you paper, he go leave you. And if you also give him, he go also leave you too. The way you dey talk, my sister, you not dey intelligent at all. You have a lot to learn in this Europe. You are not looking after yourself and you want a man to stay with you. See the way you look. Even though say the man go prison, come back. People love good things. You're not looking good. Because one where or if person be single mother, government they give them they give them money. One trick about this Europe where people don't know, and they say they are even making people to be more single by the day because Germany just increase and singlehood the money when they pay for person with they single. But they are not doing it for your benefit, men and women. Women, they are not doing that thing for your benefit. They are doing it for the benefit of their law and their system. So that people will go and work. If they separate me, they separate my husband. The law separates us, for example. I will work and my husband will work. 2 of us will be working. And we'll be paying level 1 tax. And when we are paying that level 1 tax, the government will be gaining. That is why they are doing all those things. They are not doing it for your sake. They are not doing it because they are helping you. So it's only when you know the heart of the government and you know the mind of the government to say, this thing when they do, they're not they do it for my favor. Because of say I want to collect, how much children money even be safe? Eh? Yeah, government not they carry they collect person children, my people. Yeah. There are times you feel talk, if you see a person, you can say, oh, this one is a mistake. But looking at you, my lady, your own is not a mistake. Because even as you they do this live video, you they smoke for that. You they smoke. As you they do the live video, you they smoke, you they drink. And you are threatening to kill yourself, which is another ignorant that will make a white person never easily release your children from you. Suicidal. Anybody who if he carry knife, he cut himself, blood they come out, you can do to another person. After with depression and love, after just hospital. Why believe you get depression gele exist? Why me no ya if you na see person wey go take injection or wey go they take therapy for this thing, una go say na the person na get depression. Yeah? Depression can worry anyone. If you are depressed, go for therapy. Therapize yourself so that you will look better tomorrow. Nobody carry document come for Africa. More than not, they let document they scatter relationship. If you don't want to enter relation, if you meet a man where you don't get paper, don't go and be pregnant for him if you don't want him to take paper from you. Not carry belle, my sister. Not be say you don't carry belle finish, you can't say you don't want to give person paper. Why? Why will you do such a thing? If you see them, they don't have paper. Don't you will not prick their prick for Toto. If you put her for Toto, they give you belle, go remove her. If you born finish, allow them to recognize their child. Even if say they don't get paper, allow them to recognize their child. Truth not the bad person mouth. Now one talk and they bad mouth. You cannot get pregnant for a man. After carrying their pregnancy, you can't say you will not be saying because they want to use you get paper. You don't know say if woman fuck it, they carry belly. You carry belly, you are saying my baby, my baby. Not be too often a born. Why you don't want me put a name for inside? Why do you want the baby to be only for you? Why do you want the baby that two of you lie down in the same bed and do? Why do you want the baby to be for you? Why are you not talking about documents? You don't know say you don't get document before you enter your life. If you want to buy benign, you don't want give person paper, but you want fucking prick. Why wake ya but ma onuriye bene? Eh? You don't already born now. You they carry picking, they run, they go like say they pursue you, pursue picking. Why? It's not like that. It's very wrong. If you see person will not get paper, you know one time, not let her enter your body. Not be say you don't enjoy your belly for finish. You will say you don't want me recognize the baby. Oh my name better me amea. Person will not get document na sickness he carry. Na HIV positive. Eh? Where you don't want somebody who don't have paper. Ah, a lady now who was fuck up in my sister. I'm not my way 19.
Felice Ozidede, I know you before. The document where you want to see when me give you. Now you give me documents.
Can you imagine?
Now you give me documents. Now you give me documents. I be the house where you say when me give you. Now your papa for papa for grave. Now give me the house. I be now your mama for grave. Now give me the house. The house where you say when me put your name, when me remove my son name and put your son name so that when you be the owner of my house, as if for waiting. How me go remove my son name and put your son name, say may you be my own, may you come be the owner of my house. Only you want. Now you go still carry friends. You go pack friends come my house. Without say you not go tell me. If me ask you, go begin call they threaten me with a Arubaga. Now say I go do you this. Now say you go do me that. Felice Ozidede.
Let me tell you people how this thing where should they explain. So it's true. It happened in many relationships. But still, the way when I'm a guy, I'm a good guy. That's how I've been people they talking. The way person see you. You know, say some people are good pretenders in nature. Women, if you want cash man, maybe our own will be pretending. This one go start to teach women lesson now. Say, why are you pretending? Why are you right from day one? What till you know say you not go accept? No accept right from day one when you are entering into a relationship. Don't pretend. Because if you not accept and you know come bon put. If you know they pretend before say you not get problem, those friends they even come, you will cook for them. You all of una go gather eat for parlor, una go drink water. Because the way you be like person where they join friends, they drink, they smoke. Because if only cigar see only cigar, then go they happy. You people we are doing this company together. There was an agreement between all of you. That is why the relationship was there. We can't even make you carry belesef. You can't burn for inside. A mistake you who when I met lady. This is what you accepted. That's why you don't pretend when it comes to relationship. Pretense will only come after you and hurt you. The owner of the pretense. You are the owner of the pretense. It's you your pretense will hurt. It's you your pretense will run after. It's you your pretense will destroy. No other person. This is where many of us women, this is where we made mistakes in relationship. We enter with pretense. We pretend to say, what the other woman couldn't take, I can take it. It's a lie. You cannot take it. You are a woman too. You can never ever take it. If another woman like you couldn't take that shit, you will never ever take that shit. That's the truth of the matter. But you will pretend to be able to take it. But when the time comes, you cannot take it. When the time comes to face the reality of life, the reason why the other woman carry her bag and ran away, you start seeing in that. You also want to run. Now that time, your body will come to pepper you. What were you expecting, my sister? Are you not a smoker? That's what they do. Somebody like me, I don't smoke, I don't drink, I'm not a junkie. I will never accept anything less to accept a junkie for a husband. or even a boyfriend. Never. When junkie do go enter your life finish, you will come the talk say, is bringing people to your house? Is that not what you wanted from the beginning of the relationship? Is that not what you knew? We are two of you not going to party together and smoking together. We are two of you not going everywhere together and doing stuff together. One and they come and they enjoy. This is how all these things come back to you. The things you choose, this is how they hurt you. The things you pretend about, this is how they hurt you. That's why as a human being, they learn the hard way. You will always learn the hard way in this life. Look at how you are learning. And you are even donating a child inside, which is the most painful part of it all. White people know they collect children. They collect your children when the court have seen that you are unworthy mother. A mother that is unworthy. Your character is not good. Reports have been coming from you. Social have searched your house. People have entered your home. They have seen you talking in person. Because the way you talk on live video, if 80 out of 100 people can judge you to be wrong, what did you expect from the court on France? What are you expecting from them? To leave a child with you? You are angry and you carry a knife and you hurt yourself and you were blooding all over your body. And what if the depression take you to killing a child? My sister, before you can able to take your child back, you have to go and clear to the people that you are mentally stable. Not be a men they collect pikin for Europe. Most of you come and be accusing your men to say, it's very easy for a man to go and report you to the government, for government to collect children. Because if you are delaying me access to my child, so you also have to know to get access to that child, so that the child can go to the government. That is why some men do that. Don't deny them access to their children. If they want to see them, let them see the child, but let the child be with you. If they want the document, let them take document and go. Report them to the government. Make sure you are the woman who reports. Report the man to the government. Say, you know they do the right thing. The government will force him to do the right thing from the child. Not you. You don't do all those things. When you do all those things, you put the law in your hand. That is why the boy was in your court and the man went to report and the child was taken away from you. You tell judge, make judge collect my pikin, and judge collected my pikin. It's a lie. No one commands the judge. Who is your husband? Who is Felix to tell the court to say, go and collect my baby mama pikin? Court will just come collect her. No, they don't do stuff like that. It's not done like that. You must be like you are capable of what you are being accused of. That is why your child was withdrawn from you, the custody of child. And do you know what child custody is? Child custody is a delicate matter in Europe. It's not an easy something. Child custody is what you are. If you have the custody of your children, make sure it's not withdrawn from you. Because if it's withdrawn for you, it's a whole hell of work to get the custody back. You have to prove to the government because they have a lot of things that they accuse you of. Eh? Because the way I look at you, not be only cigar you they smoke. You be like person where they also they smoke Igbo. You must clear to the government that particles of Igbo is not seeing your blood for the past 2 years. Particles of Igbo not in your blood again for 2 years. Before the government will even say they want to give a child to you. You are a woman, you are not a man. A woman, you are not a man. African people, you cannot behave like a man. Maybe we not they take law into our hand. Sometimes, if people offend you, leave them to God sometimes too. Don't be running to be the one who want to be the first to quickly hammer back. It can cost you a whole life. It can cost you a whole lot of things. And you can match the title more than where you are supposed to match it. You can disgrace yourself. You can make yourself useless. People will see you as the way people are seeing you now. Because you are running after your enemy, which is your husband. See how you are running after your enemy make you to land yourself and you disgrace yourself from the highest order right now. Eh?
If God not punish you today, if you not die today, my God, go take your children one by one. My God, your children, your 3 children, been 4 children, been 5 children you get. They go bury them one by one this year. You go begin to bury them one by one this year. If you not bury one, if you not bury all your children this year, go not say my name not be Kate. Me not be Kate. If you not bury your children this year, you go not say me not be Kate. You hear me so? You go not say my name not be Kate. If you not bury bury your children one by one this year. Eh? If those your 4 children not die, or be 5 children not die from your eye this year.
You see, sometimes when you are angry, be careful of what you say, especially when you are dealing with people who know what they are doing. France is a police country. France, Germany. I don't know about other countries, but you see France and Germany. When it comes to documentation of stuff like this, UK in another way, place when I also know. They're not, they forget to. When it comes to stuff like this, they don't play with it. France, Germany, UK, this 3 countries where me just know, say, if, or let's say that your man a good person. You see this part of this nonsense you just said here. If they just cut it, if they just cut him, and he take it to court and he put leg joiner, if he here does so correct, if not correct person, he will collect that child, he will take the custody of that child. He will take the custody of that child. And before you know it, he go use and take paper. Before you know it, he go use and take paper. Judge not know how you want to kill children. But he just know you saying you bury all of them, you kill them, you bury. Then they equivalent you to a lunatic. To a person who is sick. To a person where your head not correct. Which your sanity must be clarified before you get hold of your child again. If your sanity is not clarified. And let me tell you, taking one child away from you. Sometimes you might say, they took one child away from me. If you know what is good for you, taking one child away from you, relocation is not even the best solution. Going to start working now and doing the right thing, not be only to work to earn salary. Working on yourself. Cleaning yourself up. Your child is in a safe hand. Go and work so that at least before that child gets to 3 years, you can see that child again. Go and start living a good life. Go and work. Go and clarify yourself. Go and bring your sanity paper. They do the things with follow up, correct follow up. Not be to the chat. People where no road, they ask them question. Not because they shout for live video. You want shout for people where they shout for. We already know what is going on in our hand right now. People judge you wrong already. They not follow you stay inside house. But from the look of things, people are already judging you wrongly. Forget about this man. You need to go and do a proper work on yourself before you can be able to get that child back. If not, the custody of that child is far from you. Because you are talking like an insane woman. You are talking, say, now so I go kill you. Now so you bury all your children. Now so you will do this one. And you are fighting for a child custody. How do you want to get the child custody? Please share the video, my people. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Eh? How do you want to get the custody of this child? Rundebe, because of documents. When I say what the document don't cost for this Europe, eh? Sometimes the greediness of we the parents, we even use it to punish the child. Pikin wey never even suck breast for once now. 3 months he never suck breast. See wetin una carelessness cause more pikin wey they come life. Just imagine. And do you know what another dangerous thing about you, the way you are now, right now? To work and collect that child is very important. If not, any pikin wey you born, you will they donate and give to government. It sounds difficult, but that is how it is. When the government start collecting your children already, even if you born 4, they collect all of them. You don't know. That's the law in Europe when it comes to child custody. That is the law in Europe when it comes to child custody. When they start collecting your children already, if you born another one for another man, you know, you will say they don't know, but you was going to government appointment, going to hospital, going to all those things. The day when you they born for hospital, you will see say social stand with you, they will collect pikin. That is how it is done. So to go and carry another belle, say you won't born, it's not the solution. To run away from France, say you want to go another country, it's not a solution because your child is there. Your solution right now is to start working on yourself. If you come across this video, forget that man because you know the truth about that man. Now you put yourself for problem. You know say the man not go, he don't fair go prison. You know say he not get paper. You know say they seize the document. So you know definitely that kind of a person is desperate for document. Why you go born for him if you don't want to give him documents?
Yeah, she needs to work on herself.
Eh?
She needs to work on herself, go to different offices which represent people, prove to them that you are a responsible mother they are the ones which can help you to write a letter. It's either to the courts, and the judge will call again for another date to prove that you are now a responsible mother. Because if you get pregnant with this case,
of grants not cleared,
they'll just come and take that child.
They'll come and take the child
your name
again.
is in the system already,
Huh?
and the case is there to say you are an irresponsible person.
Yes.
So whatever you do,
Huh?
they are seeing you like an irresponsible person.
I'm not the pity
So,
for everybody when they collect the
first
children
things
this
first.
time. No. Now
First
before they do
things
that
first, go and clear your name that no, you are not what they think. You understand? When
Yes.
you clear your name first, then you can start to give birth. But anything that you do from now on, you'll be crying.
A
You'll
document,
be checking them.
document. Everywhere be African just come they talk. A document, any small thing, document. Oh, why we love without documents now. Without we know they involve document again. Now document now make me drop hookup where I know they do hookup matter again. Before woman will come, go they ask say got document. The man go come, the woman go say I no want no get document. The woman not get document, man go say no if you get belle if you born go wrong. Why is all this now?
Somebody commented that this one is the third child the government is collecting from her. We don't know how far true, but it's a comment.
He says the third child that the government is collecting from this woman.
Yes. Lolo Kubana.
Lolo Kubana said that. Let me read it. He said, Mama, somebody commented that that's the third child the government is collecting from her. Can you imagine? Is this not what I just said? This is exactly what I just said. If you born and government collect your pikin, make sure say government not collect your pikin one day.
She gave birth for the third time, not knowing that she has to clear her name first.
Africa I'm so it's so shameful. And I see people coming to my page to say, Rita, why are you saying somebody come and be making nonsense on my platform to say, why are you saying it's an Edo woman? Not be a Edo woman in be before. I'm not a tribalistic. I'm also an Edo woman. Those days, if I see anything happen, I they talk the tribe where the person be joining. That's why I think they work for my platform. I don't generalize it. No. Edo woman. It's an Edo woman that this thing happened to. Obi Edo no. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Hello, good afternoon.
I did live video, my lady.
I've been want to talk to you before. If you remove one for speaker.
No, if I finish, you call me back, yeah?
Okay.
It's not good, my people. Open documenting.
Listen me, I don't be wicked. She be sabi judge, you sabi defend, you sabi show, take, see, prove, I get this, I get that. You will be say, they even they find for Italy. You will be say, then the Italy, they find you for the 21 prison, the 21 years in prison, where you get for grant for Italy there. They even they find you for Italy. Now you call France, you can say, now me, now you want to use this show for France. My dear, I go worry you till your grave.
You cannot worry that man, my dear. The man is being worried already. He's the one worrying you now. You see, on I see every time my platform, and they always, that is why me, I sabi take life easy. I sabi take life easy, kule. Me what take life easy. What bogun your mota every time. Woman ka we imine, o botun even yana no man ka we imine. Me maybe na yaru leg bogun me twin. I ko yari you twin that day ya. This is how you deal with life. If you want to be, if you are a sensible person, you don't run after your enemy bomber to bomber like this. Grig. The same power where your enemy take they run around like we are soon will give man. You don't do that. You don't already know same man are your enemy, but you never applied wisdom. Where is the wisdom that you applied? My sisters in Europe, if you are pregnant for a man already, allow them to sign for their children, whether they have documents or not. That's the truth of the matter. Allow these men to sign for their children. If you don't want to die young, that's the truth of the matter. If you don't want to lose your children to government, if you don't want people come drop drug for your house, may they come accuse you of being a drugger. Because your husbands or your boyfriend won't have they born for. They don't even know how Europe be because they never take paper. Person way never take paper, never enter into the system. Then be like, he get away, no get break. Here is a siole loto. You go die, you. Because he never know as Europe be, now only you know. He believes say you they enjoy, you don't want to let her enjoy. And a person will get paper, now even suffer pass for Europe. Person will get paper. I want to make bear success because when you don't get paper, your name enter the system, you will start to do different things. You cannot be living in a good functioning system of Europe and you don't want to have debt. Everybody have one debt or the other that they are paying. It's not a story, a news anymore. So if your husband will not get paper, immediately carry paper and enter into European system, debt go enter in neck. Do like this. The only thing you are supposed to be giving that man, if you know better than him, is advice. Be advising him of the possible consequences of if he dump you, wait till go meet for front. Finish. But what you are supposed to do because of your child, don't forget it. Do it. My sister. No, pa you that more gege de talk ba. No do bia no mama ke na do ya we nyagmo. You don't know? If you not quick give man paper, he go they hold you for there. He go they drag you up and down. Two of them go there. Another man where they even they call your life. He go hear the story. He go say this one. Where be say person born for not give him paper. No. But by the time when you don't do your own as a human being for inside, then you leave the rest for God. You start working on yourself, on your child. If they take paper from you, if they want to go, allow them to go. Not they say because of paper, you don't want to give men paper. Because of say they will run leave you, my sister. They not they use paper hold anybody. If you want to know that a bird love you, don't keep the bird in the cage. Open the cage for them, allow them to fly. When they fly and remember to come back home, that is the bird that love you. But when they fly and they don't come back, they don't love you. Allow them to go. Eh? Many single mother they enjoy singlehood. You don't know. But not when you are destroying the life of a person. Say you know give her paper. You know give her paper. Why are you doing this? What if the man is your brother? Now woman born for. If for certain for street, you don't want give her paper. Don't do that, my lady.
You not go your grave if they not bury you. I not go rest. I not go rest. For today go, I don't be your nightmare. I don't be your nightmare. Me, I don't become your dream. I go make sure say, you see this idiot. This no go. Okay, they carry the baby come out from my hand. It is say now let me one. No be your blood. Ah, now let me one born. Let's be your blood now. But you mumu rich. You mumu rich because of documents. Because of your documents. Because of 65 euros. I mean 66 euros. Where there they give the baby where they say the money that even they rich people take they buy pampers for a week. Now it make you say make government carry the baby. Say you better say where the baby dey for government hand. That say the baby go dey my hand. You see your life? And that baby, that innocent baby, that innocent baby, his tears go down your head. He go down your head.
That child was not collected because the man reported. Never. The child was collected because the man reported and the report was true. That is why the child was collected. Not because he reported, no. He reported, government put eye for ground, and the report was true. That is why the child was collected. My sister, there is no government you will talk to that will not take your child from you. Make sure you're not born again, they give government. Abi, I be the government of Wona. They say that 3 times you don't born, give government. See, there is no government you will ever open this your mouth to talk to, and they will never take your child from you. Never. If me, I'm a judge, if you will never born in France again, until you prove to me to say you are not a human being before you were born. If you born and they can't collect them instantly, wa be dori. E mata or yagbe, but offset on free. You want to be a mother, you want to be a junkie. Choose the one where you want for inside. Eh? Or both man will follow you battle for picking go winner. You are not a mother. Man, wait, don't forget prison problem. In human trafficking, not the work. Lazy man. He go follow you handle. He go follow you battle for picking. He go winner for your hand. You are not a good mother. Never. You don't know who you are. That is why. Omo pake kon my bieva. Okpa we bien na ni awari now, but they say they fed the collect and since I don't know how true is that one. I don't want to talk about what I don't know. But based on what we are hearing here, now those one child you don't born. Only one child. When women like you, they carry 4, they go. Man still they beg them on top of that 4, say baby me we settle. Inya ya go erene. Inya beg him in no ruene. They don't already go outside, go look and say, it's not a greener pasture outside. If you hold my man not leave you, you go die of hypertension. Hypertension is boa. If man won't leave you, you tell and say, please don't leave me, don't go. You will die. Meaning you want to be buried before your time. You don't tell anybody not to leave you. You are very wrong, my lady. You put it together. Although 2 minutes live video where you do on. Go and work on yourself. Go and ask people how to collect your child back. Ask questions inside the house. You don't want to see that child again? This is not how you fight for a child that you love.
Then also people go worry you. It go also worry the children when you get fed born. How those your children go die one by one? That one day for government hand. Now government carry you don't go die. But your own children go die for your eye. All of them go die for your eye one by one. Better. See you they pretend saying I saw you clean. When you tell they carry they call, even house where you not get where they say you know they pay us rent. You know they pay the light bill. You know they pay the gas bill. You know even they contribute anything for the house. I pick you for dustbin. I pick you like a junkie. Put you for my house.
Did you people see what I was talking about? I picked you up like a junkie. It's only a junkie that pick up a junkie. Believe me. It's only a junkie woman that pick up a junkie. That is why those days when I was doing my hookup, sitting down there, people will be telling me, Rita, they don't like these women select too much. I always tell you people to say, I love them to select. I don't have a problem of selection. If women want to select the kind of men they have, me, I don't have a problem of people making the choices that they want. I'm not against choice. Choice is a powerful tool that you use to satisfy your soul. When you make choice, you satisfy your soul. Because it's your choice. You see? So see this one, I say, I picked you from the dustbin as a junkie. Because a junkie will be here. Oh yeah, when I'm a junkie. When you are not a junkie, you can't carry a junkie. What do you tell you? Is your house a rehabilitation center and anagba away junkie? Is your house a rehabilitation center? Can anagba away junkie over here? You think you can change a person? You are lying. You are a liar. You cannot change anyone. People change when they want. And when people pretend, when time comes, they will bring out the real person in them. That is why you see people say, not be saying it before, he can't change. He not change. He just pretended. He just pretended. For 20-something years, in Amio Ebe. Or Bohana via missing on a le. When I will do Ganon set it to be an total, but my sister. Who be an old man who money, one of very a ben and get bibi back. What you been on a bibi back? Or South Arabia will make your dad moon. God go open life for you. There are some people you must not marry in this life. Some people are there, you are a helper to some men. You are not there to be their wife. And some men are there. Some women are just helpers in your life. Or some women just help you. You are not there to be their husband. It's not everybody you sleep with that must be your husband for life. Who says so? It's not every woman you sleep with that must be your husband. It's not every man you sleep with that must be your wife or your whatever. No. The best thing you are supposed to do for yourself now, if you know what is good for you, stop owning that your live video. If you own your live video, make sure after you have done the right thing, you are coming to orientate people about your experience. You are not coming to shout anymore. Make sure you are coming to motivate people. Make sure you are coming to inspire them. The situation where you pass through, so you want to use and motivate people. Because if you love that child, please don't come out like this again. For the sake of that child, if you want to get that child back. Don't come out like this again. Because he not concern man. Man, we go report you. It has nothing to do with him. It has a lot to do with you and your child. Somebody say, must the woman give him paper? So look at what he's facing right now. How do you explain this situation? How do you explain it? Eh? What was the agreement? The agreement be say, maybe we go make family together. Okay, what is making family? Person don't already give you belly, you don't get belly for her. Why are you saying I will not give you paper? So you want the person to enter your life and begin to give you problem. You will not be getting problem. And this is what is causing problem in Europe relationship. You want to use me get paper. Not give her. At the end of the day, most people, do you know that I know a woman who was saying those days, I know they give my man paper. I know give her paper. I know give her paper. Me, myself, I beg, I tire. Give her, make it leave you. Because this man, not they leave you. Eh? Sometimes, before you know what they happen, they monitor your life. You can't, they work like spirits, they follow you. Most of these men, when they deny paper, so. If you not see the way that they follow now. If they can kill you, they will kill you because they are seeing you as a person who is behind their sources. I'm telling you. They monitor now. Some of them, they carry on a name, go they give Babalawo, go they give Baba for Nigeria, go they give their mama, go they carry go village. May you die so that their picking go enter their hand, so that they will give them paper. Iwatamu wa matano rona. Erioje. Anyone ibua warie hianda, wawe irie benwe. Rie beni anu gia zozo ba. Nou soin dagmon we nou ga dole dagmon we nou ga enjoy. Nou ga dole dagmon we nou ga enjoy. If you dey waka for outside, they know they can't and follow you say the number of people where you give paper. Your heart is what God normally sees to bless you with another better man in future. Your heart is what God sees. Most women who have suffered, who are enjoying marriages today, some of them have suffered a big heartbreak. They have suffered a big frustration in the hand of another man that they have done everything for, that they have stood for, they have suffered for. They have given them their best. At the end of the day, God does sometimes it was tough for them. They didn't want to accept it. But later, they accepted it to say, Agmona serve it, Agmona serve, I know. They accepted it. Don't always fight to be the winner, my people. Sometimes lose. It's good to lose sometimes. When you fail, you learn. Don't always want to be the winner in all the fights that you will engage in your life. You will die young. Sometimes pretend and allow your opponent to also win. Make carry while go. It's very important. It's useful. That is wisdom. Man, we not fit take paper for your hand. If they look you for grief, if then they look you, they look you, may you enter inside grief, may you quit die. That's the only thing they think about you, death. And madness. May they carry madness to away for your body. May you decrease. Just like you are not going mad now. God forbid, may you not mad. Just like what is happening to you now. That's the only prayer they pray for you. But by the time they take document and they go, the guilty conscience, they carry and they go for their life. Most of them, they don't amount to anything. Men we kill women, we destroy women mentality, destroy women life for this Europe. A woman stood by you, you collect paper for your hand, you destroy her, you leave. Go and check their life and come back and tell me. What comes out of their life at the end of the day? Most of them marry another woman. Some of the women use them. The women they married fought for you. Go and see how their life is. Your own way they collect paper for you, and your own is still better than their own life. Eh? See. Most of the women when they don't fair use, they say they don't use them. Now the women come be the evil madam or God this. Now they write motto, now they live big house, now they live big life. The men when even say they collect paper for person, how they don't person. Agui yamakin pomahin palaka. Eh? On no see na twag bogyon. Eh? There's a God that fight for people who don't have power to fight. But when you say you have power to fight, you will fight your fight alone. And your God will do like this. Then you will fight. Please share this video, please, so that you can get to her hands. She go sit down and listen to me. Hey, ki video no la dian, no do la video. Quand the toss na so you want to do that man, na so you want to kill your picking. You are causing more reason that you will never ever get your child again. All those things are, if your case is coming from the courts, don't you ever on your live video to say rubbish again. You will not get your child easily. I know what I'm telling you. You don't go get her easily, eh? Because I'm on social media and I'm treating topics like this every time. I know how many women where they don't collect their children, where as we are talking right now, they never get their children back. We are still inside. 1 year, 2 years. Believe me. It's very many in France, in Germany, in UK, or Baku. Not only Nigerians, Ghanaians. Sometimes, you know, they even reach this your own, so the other women will not be doing it. And to get the custody of their children will be difficult. To get the child back will be very difficult. Forget about this man and go and put your life together. Eh? In case of another person, where be say you don't already get belly and you don't born. Okia monitor where man they follow you from back to back. You know say he won't leave you. Let me encourage you. Give that man that paper, my sister. Give him that paper and move on with your life. If you can give him paper, give him, I beg you. If you know say you don't already bear for already, allow them to sign for their child. Go. Allow the government to judge them. Allow their conscience to judge them. Allow the states to judge them. Don't take law into your hand. Don't judge them. So that when they will a different place here. So that they will not be looking for the next juju to finish your life. They know they carry you go Jebu a day. You know how many cases when I get for inside this house when I they talk about like this. You know why you Jebu a day. Native daughter place where big where they carry on a name go there. Because they want you to die. They want you to frustrate. They want you to make mistakes so that all your children will be taken from the government. Because you don't let them sign for picking. If you let them sign put, you go work even if you don't work. Yeah, win now. If you work finish, then give her a paper. Oh, we are pas guerre my sister on ragmont dans les monji. On ragmont dans les monji. Man, when you not do anything, leave you. You not do anything. You have done your best as a woman. I don't believe that man will ever sleep nicely to have peace wherever he is. When your hands are clean, when you done your own as a woman, when you have tried your best as a person, not like this. When you are looking like a junkie like this. Somebody says she's Esan woman, Rita. She's not Edo. He said, Edo woman, not Esan woman. Some commenters. Now, they even they read in a comment. Edo is an Esan. Esan and Edo, we are the same now. I wrote Edo woman. Even though I Esan, even though I bank this one, even though the other one, even though we are all Edo now. Are we not all Edo? Hello. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my lady.
I watch your program about this girl with the connectivity. I want to ask one question. How woman or Jamie, as you know, say they give me paper. Me, I want to know because I don't know.
You say?
I want to know. I say how woman say they give me paper. Whether they cry, say woman not giving paper, woman not giving paper. How woman want to do and what they give me paper?
Yeah. Why will they talk? Because some women then go use their mouth they talk and say, now paper I want to collect from my hand. I don't want to give them paper. Number one, none they carry that paper. They put for front for anything woman they do. If you get belly for man, you don't already know say you don't get paper before it come your life. You're supposed to know by yourself to say, this man we want to take paper from you. Lord is very logical. Abi? Okay.
Because
wait.
When they talk because me get my own paper. Let me get my own paper, but my husband not get me. We did together. I bought it for her. So me, I don't know what to ever do. Say me want to give her paper. That make me ask that question.
Okay,
so,
now you ask because of your own. Because you want to give her.
Yes, I want to know.
Okay, for Germany for years.
That it is very easy.
It's not easy, but let me tell you what you will do. If you are not working, you cannot give your husband paper. It's a dedication. That is why we say it's difficult. To start with, you will get the paper. When you born for the man don't already, you don't let him go sign for that picking as they share the own, how do you call it?
No, that was the second stage.
Okay.
The first stage is called Vaterschaft erkennung.
Okay, Vaterschaft and erkennung.
To identify the father of your child.
As the father.
Both of you will go to Jugendamt and you will sign Vaterschaft erkennung to say, this is the father of
this child.
Of this child.
Yes.
Yes. So after that one, there's a second stage which is called Zogresh. Zogresh is about the rights of the child. Let me say custody.
The custody
Yes,
of the child.
who has the power over the child.
The shade.
Yes. So both of you will go again to that same office, the Jugendamt.
And share the custody.
Yeah.
Then you as the mother, they will ask you to say, do you allow this man to also have the power over this child?
Yes.
When you say yes, they will share it 50-50 between two of you.
Yes.
Then both of you will sign to say, this is our child.
Yes.
The father has rights over the child. Me as the mother, I also have the rights over the child.
Yes.
So that is the first stage. So giving paper now, the this man will go to the foreign office. So at the foreign office where we get our papers, they will ask him if you, because you are the one who is giving him the
And two of you, your address must be reading together.
Yes.
It's important.
if your address is reading together, so you now, because you have the paper, the man does not have the paper, they want to give him the paper. So your source of income, they will look at your source of income. If you are receiving job center money, it will be difficult.
Social money.
That's social money.
It's difficult.
For them to grant him. So you are supposed to be the Dutch word zelfstandig. You are supposed to be someone who can, yes. So
You're
that's
supposed to be working.
you are supposed to be working.
Yes.
And not receiving the government money.
Not taking government money.
So what they will do now, if you are working, you have proved, they can tell you to say bring 3 pay slips. So you have, when you have done all those
6
things,
months now. They are not
right now, yes, it's increased to 6 months. When you have proved to them that yes, you are working, you are not taking social money, they have seen it. So the status that your child have, for example, if you have 3 years,
Yes.
your child will also be given the same 3 years, and the father will now take the status of the child, because the relationship that is between both of you is coming through the child. So the status of the child is the one the father will get.
Exactly. You understand now?
Yes.
So the most important thing is, my lady, you need to they work. Most women, they stay house and they want make their men get paper. And their men don't work. They don't fit get paper. You know, fit come like that because now you, the paper they flow. The paper is flowing from you. So you have to work. This is, now this one, they make most women, they say, and they fear, if I don't go work, give my paper finish, you go leave me. But truth of the matter is that because of your child, do that sacrifice. Go and work and allow the father to get his status.
Yeah, it's simple. Now, what the paper? People they die live well. So, when they tell say woman they keep man paper. So, they confuse me many times.
And the man also, not be say only you will go work, give my paper. Share the men where they want collect paper from women. You people should listen. Life. If you are not ready to understand the Europe, you will never enjoy Europe. Europe is for people who are ready to understand Europe. We have a way, which is our African way. And the Oibo have a way, which is their European way. So we have a community inside Europe, African community. Their own way is to make sure they separate us because they are not into union. They don't like union. They don't want people to be together. They are separating us with their laws. So you, if you don't want that to happen to you, their system to catch up with you, make sure to say you are in agreement with your woman. Try to form a correct agreement. My brother, not they think about person where they Africa. The woman where follow you settle for here. Where born for you, may you take get paper. Wala wo wo. May una they respect them, they hold them seriously. May they not they fear to say if they give una paper now come out. To work and give a person for paper as a mother where born. Even though say you new born, you need to go and be working. Who ya winner? Ku work a gbomomo. If you work finish, then you can give that to your man. Document. It's not a small sacrifice, my men. I use God beg. I sacrifice in the The man can also be working. Yes, he go they work, you go they work. The time when I go they submit to na paper, you go they submit your own working paper. You go they submit your own working paper. Is your bona attack by way nigbe. Why ya wa? Mundeng and the toto. Other people are still coming to Europe. Your brothers and sisters you left behind. They want to come and enjoy this system, and you want to spoil it now. We want to turn it to. Thank you, my lady. Offer for there. Eh? We want to turn out to waiting they take the key one another. It not deserve. The stress in Europe is enough. By the time you get your document already, you enter into another life, which is acquiring bills, facing debt, facing the real European life this time around. It is stressful on its own. Please, don't be adding all this small misunderstand the way it not be anything. Document is not anything. People, I don't even know the last time I opened my purse and hold my document in my hand. It has been there for a very long time. I never reached there. Now so you reach. The document don't there your hand already. You will carry and go for purse. You walk better where you want that ticket to travel or you need them for here. He settle you for the land where you did your was but what is your life after this document? What is your life? Don't make men, please. If you know that after a woman give you documents and you leave that woman, you will never have a good life, my brother. Agmoema where? If you not say Agmoema, where is that? You don't know the sacrifice where person sacrifice for you. You are one of the reasons where all these women are not treating other men like this. You are one of the reasons even people that don't deserve to be treated bad are treated bad. People that are supposed to see their children are not seeing their children on time because of your behavior, because of your character where you take prioritize paper. Eh? No, my brother or my sister, me and not they look Europe women like that. Say they are just only to use and dump. You create an impression in the mind of people who never even give men paper before. They don't know what it is. They'll just sit down for a session to say, me, I never give my paper to man. Me, I never give my paper to man. Because of what your friend did to another person. You are creating impression in the mind of people every day when you continue to do some kind of certain things. Eh? It says, so women work hard for woman, baby, papa document. Yes. If you don't already go boom for person where not get paper, they are also human beings. They deserve to be loved. The one where they pay me for inside, now they say, after a person don't do all the sacrifice, who do move for, who where you man, because I'm in a job. Before you are able to give a man documents, if you don't work, my brother, if the woman not work, your paper not go complete too. The woman must work before you will have a standard permanent, correct? Until you collect your permanent, the woman will continue to be working. Unless say na passport na the woman hold, or maybe you marry her. Do you understand? Or maybe you marry her. If na passport now, maybe you don't need to work too much. But still, you as a man, you also need to be working before that woman can open in mind. Today they follow you, enter different office, enter different place. No doriye bejo wobo. May we not spoil this thing. One thing I hate about African, if we don't pass road, we must spoil them for the next people. This is what they were doing in my hookup. When they will come and tell me lie. They will use wahala to finish my head, and I can't do hookup for other people again. One thing I don't like about Africans, when we pass road, we must spoil it for other people to pass. You don't go let another person pass again. Arabs are doing it. You don't know? Where? But why is our own becoming negative? Government is not even knowing the secret under it. We are not using it to fight and kill ourselves for nothing. So the extent, if you see person who don't get paper, it will be like saying a disease carry. Some people don't have documents. They are more responsible than people who have documents. Some people are there. They have some people say exactly even passport is the same, Sister Rita. Even passport is the same. You don't get documents where be say no you need to go and work and come and be building that document. You carry passport for hand, you know they work, you know they go anywhere, you know they enjoy good life. What is in it? Anybody who is having an ordinary resident permit, who is enjoying life better than you, is better than you. That is it. My people, wait, they Europe. Please, don't evaluate documents where say, evaluate so elaho. Don't value your document more than the joy the father is supposed to give that child. And don't value your document more than the joy the mother is supposed to give that child. Some men are even doing it these days. If you see a woman not get paper, you go say, I dey fear if you born, you go just leave me. You are only delaying your joy and your happiness. The woman in Africa where you put mind say you want to go carry con, she will never understand what me I'm going to understand. Never. You not go understand. And man, when I want to carry con for Africa, we never understand what you or this my husband will understand. Never. Before they will understand all those things, say be where ya le buan, ya low when or see where look this look me land. I go one ignorant yes you man loto. Ignorant person want to drag you follow ground. Ignorant person. That is why you don't enter into such things with ignorant people. Please. Hello?
Hello, come on.
Call Jake, baby.
Hello. I say come on your record.
Oh, Jake.
In what life you
Eh.
Back to the girl now, we get on with now.
Zebo, ze
So,
PG.
I can take now. So, what is the issue? We say both of them they guilty. You understand?
Then get waiting.
The girl, both of them are guilty.
They are guilty.
But the girl, look, yeah, they are guilty of the same crime. A man, I feel like a man carrying nationality. When you have nationality, a man is say, when you go and man in Italy.
You didn't hide. Me can't sorry anything.
So a man can't be ten. You have a real honey now, 26 years old. Oh man, and you really 3 months a day where. The man don't understand. Also, in the end, of soon. And document you know why the major issue because America made nationality. I want to call it nationality.
Ye ma oni ye ke ya ama ne ya. O ma oni o ke ya ama.
Only the issue now.
Oni matana.
Any try make sana. Because even what I want to do, they be or say, they made your way to
O meme ga mo kiare. O meme ga mo kiagu we. Una muwe no meme no. Ege I said no woman in here for. Now you want person go pursue.
Where the issue? Thank you.
Now you want person go pursue.
Hey, one of them. But then I was in now when the way with them and no again one women or women we left again.
Yes, to be your women ye be we ma be ni nje.
Yeah, but thank you. I said not trying to make time now but if I mean one people why you say what no, yeah, but the future say come trap. Yeah, but
of woman, I will advise a woman. I am deserve a yes, but can you tell me now the man will suffer any?
The girl, no, and you over them of Papa. And I don't Belgium. Understand? Who can win for many years for 5 years? Okay, the Benny one. Imagine understand why you Benny for not to yak bezaga. Or not to yak bezaga, my own tunnel. Or you expect you won't tell you now, move your one. You can't go on. Oh my God, money. If I saw on a soon, I little Netunia Lamawa.
Kumetama we, okay, no, I'm be a waiting how my a documental status of it. Who setting how my
again, it's a opinion, man, no man. What about your man, no man?
Hey, I'll see. I will get bored with father.
How about that? And the issue now will be where we made them here by the never. And also, while Papa,
then I what done me, we're mad in we are going. Then may I wire my yoga, or say me now what my in this way.
Yeah, fine. I did have money. Said, didn't know about money, maybe me. Oh, one me fat and what you shall come on me, what's it?
Yeah. So my people, in life now we they use our hand till they cause problem. Many women have made these mistakes before in this Europe that these young ones that are coming and are making now. Forget that thing. People don't make and pass those days. They don't still remember. Say, hey, man, I not day. Have a ya boo one and if do. Have a ya boo one day. If you are in Mutala where you bonus and my bagmu. Or my bagmu. And if you not still responsible, me we want take una serious. Una no want follow. That is one bad thing. Una go say na swag be dem be. Iyama cute say, iyama clean say, iyama wona say. All this economy multi-born badani movie here now. When be say the amount go just the sweet. The amount go the sweet to take they put sugar, to take they put something for una this thing. Una come the fall for them. It's very painful. And at their men sweeper, they always they call them clipper men. Men where they walk up the whole country, they go from France to Italy, from Italy to Greece, from Greece with one purse and one clipper and one brush, toothpaste, toothbrush. One clipper for inside their handbag where they carry follow neck, one brush inside, and small comb where they take the comb back. Don't ever take those kind of men serious. Don't take them serious. If you see a gentleman where not get paper, you see and say a gentleman, follow him, my sister, not call and swag be. Oh, ma say, not be person where you will come say, because they dress swag be. Me as I be, so if I see me, a dioma no tell where you bonus, how we am with me. A dioma no kwak be you can be a car. They must put you into a problem. Old men where they pack your body proof for small picking trouser. If I look that they look they like, out man na. Who be all this one? 50-year-old man, 55, 60. He go dey wear jeans where my small son not go wear. Go dey pack his body put for inside. Go come make and get. He go come make and make PN for under. He go come white for chest. You go come the wonder waiting this old man to resemble. Yeah? What package boy are you way? You want to impress children. After 20-something years, 30 years for Europe, see small picking where you can't go and go up with. Say, women where you don't fair kill their career now. I finish a career in a long time. All those who are a career in the gone, you have a love of your career on that day. Why do you not do bad career? Not be say you get one thing where you want to teach. If I greg your fee. If you not see old men where they behave like small picking, I beg more than they run. Old men where they behave like smoking picking, they can never do anything good for you in your life. They can never follow you anywhere. They cannot even marry you. They are not husband material. If they are husband material, their wife will run, leave them for keep them. Yes, that is the truth of the matter.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
At the farm, Mama, I got one comment when I said they watch you, now it make me call you, you understand? You see all those women won't get document. If you enter their time, Mama, then go use your IT or bar. If you enter those people won't get document, their time, say you not get document, Mama, they go turn you to slave. See, if me I dey pray make any boy go meet woman when don't get document, boy when never get document. Make you pray, make God give a document by his own God. Because Mama, if you enter Ram, I don't witness and then go use you turn to slave. I
know. Now make with the advice against and so for both sides. It's very important.
You know, see, me I dey pray make God give the whole boss when they Europe document, make them chop their document. Who get document say they're not mad? I mean, no go chop in document, chop in waiting a war.
Una go get.
Who chop the document now waiting. People want get money for this country when not get document.
I'm a woman, my brother. The reason why they do it, not be because say they don't want give una. Now fear they make all those useless chakara.
Good fear. Good fear.
Wait now fear of the unknown. Say if I don't look me la, it go come dump me. And life is for the risk takers, my people.
If person character no good, they go dump am now.
Well, damn it, how we success make character. Listen for that side first, my brother. I hear your point. Character is very important for everyone to have, for both men and women. Character is not meant for only one woman alone. This is how I preach on my platform. And that is where the problem is coming from Europe. Some people just believe, some gender believes that only one gender is supposed to get character. No. Character is for both people. And document where we they talk so. I get many women when I know those days where they say my hook up even till now. They are 50 years, 60 years, they get documented, they even find they beg who they want give. Say, il y a un problème. Et voilà, mais problème. Or when they born in the date of when our marriage, il y a voilà. Il y a un problème. Boy, they no rie be yario ya. Yario ni ya, akoko barrière negbe. Because rien de dene. On understand me now. E boy ye no na yongi. Or die or marry no man. On a do kion major. E be na do kion major bo. I know many people where die with passports where they're not buried with passports. Yes, I know them. When you die, they go into the document, into the computer, they remove your whatever, and they stripe it off. No other person can use that paper. As it be for man, as it be for woman. But when you do the right thing, women, I will always say, if you want to have upper hand in this life and be a successful woman, do the right thing. Finish. That's my advice for you. Do the right thing. Oh, me my people. If you do the right thing, don't do anything in the hand of God. You are not God. You are too small to work for God. His ways are not the ways of human. Men and women, this message is for you. You are too small to work for God. Allow God to work for you. Just do your own way you will do as a human being. Everything that is in your power, do it and leave it. Finish. That is the only sacrifice you need to have a good life on this planet Earth. Is a sewano. You get one music where say, is a sefo. Umani diz a sobe. We need no heke. On your way is a se. You need no ya live agmona. Do the right thing. The only sacrifice you need to work and live a good life is a sacrifice. Do the right thing. What is the right thing? Wa mi emi ne ma rewe. U ga mi esi o makoto. U eru we na be u manari ebe ne. U si o makoto. Because u ma get plan egba. But in ye ga mi ebe na se we to si o makoto and the dag mo ebe la go do.